Hello, I am Mykhailo Radzievskyi and I am Ukrainian. This is already 12th day of war Russia with Ukraine. This night, terroristic military of Russia attack buildings in city Mykolaiv. Fucking Russian, fucking Putin, Mykhailo. I have many to tell about this. This can be a long video, but I will try to do this short. I just want to tell, Ukraine win already. Russia is lost. Putin will not stay president very soon. But thank you very much to our country and our friend of Ukraine who helped and support us all this time. Because you help to us, we can protect our freedom from this terroristic group of slaves, what call themselves Russian. War is not what should happen in 2022 or any another year. Russia cannot exist, and Russian people should clear them government from corruption and stop this war by themselves. Every day what they not stop, they have response about destroying building and dead people in Ukraine. Ukraine win. Goodbye.